This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knife blocks, specifically this Sensei knife block that is compatible with the Sensei collection of knives. It comes in black or white. You can see the black here. It has a nice soft matte finish to it. And one of the bonuses of these is they come in those kind of neutral colors that just fade into the background. So it's not going to stand out, especially if you have it on display. And it's going to work well in most kitchens. It also features a nice, efficient 4.5-inch diameter, and it's about 9 inches in height, meaning it can accommodate most knife lengths and is a great little thing to have on hand that's not going to take up a lot of space, especially if you're working in a busy kitchen, which is fantastic. And it's a great way to keep knives in reach, especially if you are working in a space where you can't install a knife rack and there's no drawers close at hand. You want to be able to always set up your space so you can efficiently grab whatever you need without having to take a lot of steps. The soft touch finish on the top, it's a bunch of flexible little strips there, these slots that'll help grip and hold your knives without damaging them, which is fantastic. So it's great for busy kitchens and perfect for spaces where you just can't reach your knives, your knife racks, or one can't be installed. And they're great for front of the house displays or open kitchen setups. Think things like carving stations, sushi bars, where those knives are going to be on display and you want to be able to store them in an efficient manner and also attractive. It can be taken apart. The insert can be removed from the top for easy cleaning and sanitation, and it holds up to 9 knives in that slotted top. So this is great for use in home if you're looking for something to store your knives in your kitchen and you don't want to just toss them in a drawer. Or it's great for kitchens, especially open kitchens where you're going to be in view of your customers where you're working. So think carving stations, sushi bars. These are a fantastic buy for restaurants, caterers, or just the professional chef working at home.